everybody! Welcome! Today I'm gonna show you 12 things I need before 12 o'clock. Come on in! Little breakfast for Sasha. So I'm making lemon water for myself in the morning. Every morning I start my day with lemon ginger. It sets your day really well. It balances your pH. It's delicious. So I'm European. I do need my coffee. And I like my coffee dark and strong. Every morning I start my day with a little bit of yoga. It's usually 15, 30, 45 minutes, depending on the day. I've been practicing yoga and meditation for over 10 years, and it's supremely helpful for me to stay centered, to stay balanced, and sets the tone for the day. I try making a simple juice, so it starts with parsley, kale, celery, cucumber, apple, ginger, lemon. Welcome to my bathroom. Right now I'm gonna do a quick mask before I jump in the shower. So we'll start with the P50, my favorite lotion. I'm in my 50s, so it's very important to apply your P50 under the chin. Lotion MC110 is amazing. I have a little line forming on my forehead, and of course I don't get any injectables. So I press and I activate MC110 until I erase those little lines. So today I'm going to use a Masque Biofixine. It's a lifting mask, it's nutritious. The main purpose is to brighten and to lift the skin and firm. It is very important that you lift your brows and apply this mask on your lids. So I let this sit for a half an hour or 15 minutes, whatever I have time. And then I jump in the shower. Today I'm going to do the Grande serum as my first step. It's regenerative, it's rehydrating, it helps your skin look vibrant during daytime. I love that. After the Grande serum, I'll use Fluide ViPO2. Personally, I prefer using before my moisturizers. After Fluide ViPO2, I use MSRH cream. And then to finish everything off, I will follow with Silk Plus. Any serum left, I put it on my hands. Always nice. So now here is my little makeup heaven to cover my little imperfections. Usually I'm very particular which makeup I choose. It has to be skin friendly and it has to work with my routine. For makeup, eyeshadows, I love Chantecaille. Now we're doing blush. It makes the whole difference. Just a little gloss. Voila. My outfit is usually a white shirt, jeans, pretty casual, comfortable. under the blankets. I'll give you a wonderful facial, maybe oxalate facial or violet facial today. We'll figure out once I cleanse your skin.
Sounds great, thank you.
Okay, it's 12 o'clock, time to go.